enamel colors. This is blue and green because I want something in between, not either blue or green, so I'm mixing the two colors. If you have the desired color, you can use it directly as well. So mix it properly. I'm using the ice cream stick over here. Little more of green. Now I think it's done. I had this wooden palette, so I'm coating this with this enamel color. You can use acrylic as well if you are having and not having the enamel color, so need not to worry, you can use acrylic as well. Paint it nicely and you can double coat it according to your wish. If you want a little more coat, so you can coat it double. Draw the selected design you want using pencil or chalk, anything you want to. Now I'm using acrylic white color to paint it. And it's done. Hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, please click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it. Thank you.